Princess Obaname. You say you be Princess Obaname, you be goddess. Because anything concerning that name are goddess. Now evil goddess you be. If you really the see road, you for know wetin kill Oguname. Before you come out to address person, you go find out wetin happen. With this one, you come when you come out come fool yourself. You come out come fool yourself. You not be anything. Now this thing, now we want make it come out for our land. All this deceiver, you not one of them. Because this one show you come out now say you when he claim to be Princess Obaname, you know they see road, you know they see anything, you don't know anything, you just they do propaganda to collect all these small children where they Europe money. You take out the bleach, take out they buy bleachy cream, take out they buy a rubber snake, take out they buy rubber goddess they put for your house. You know they see anything. You know they see anything, my dear sister. Nothing. Nothing. People send you to come out to talk to Princess Odohunogi. You when you call yourself, you na Princess Obaname, Obanologo. Because people they pray, make Ologo water no enter find water for person na big prayer for na ancestors they use they pray. But you now Ologo water the gather send you and they look you when you say you will come out. You really come out. Fake Obaname. You are not na propaganda. May you they get money they buy bleachy cream. Now make you know they see anything. If you they see anything, if you they see something, you will know wetin kill Oguname. This one, if you bring yourself come out to disgrace yourself. You don't prove to people, to the whole world, you know they see anything. You are nothing. Even people, when really they see something, where be really goddess, they no say you not be anything. You know they see anything. Now propaganda, these the people we want. May we wipe away for Idu Igodomigodo. Now be Princess Obaname when he claimed to be. You say you come from royal family. Who's royal family? When you tell when Oba wife send you message, you go to Oba palace and begin to sleep with Oba. They sleep with Oba. It means say Oba the fucking people, is the fucking sisters. If you die, if you say you want maybe, if you say you never sleep with Oba, come out. Mona call Oba na me come out. Make you face me. Mona call her come out for me. I dey online now. Make that woman when he say him be Oba na me, no Oba Norogo. You know they see anything. I don't still blame her too much. That group send her, make it come face me. I still they tell you I be mother. I be mother. I they tell you. People when it send her, make una be careful. People when they do propaganda, make una be careful. If you know they calm, una no change for na character. When this Binu people carry enter, he do Igodomigodo land. If you not be careful, what it happen to Oguname, it go happen to all of you. I dey tell you now. I don't get power of my own. Now ancestors. Now they send me. If you not be careful, all this propaganda, make una Binu people, make una stop una propaganda. Make una stop her. This one, he never put food for on a table. Now only disgrace una they see inside. Only disgrace. See Princess Ologo, come out. Say draw line for who? Odohunoge, you draw line for. Okay? Make that they see you with Odohunoge. You draw line for Odohunoge with ancestors. Okay? Make with they see Odohunoge. Before you call the address matter, you know find out. If you really they see, if person carry person matter, can't give me. I go tell the person, say, give me 24 hours. I go find out whether not true. You know, since when you come out, now your matter, I sit down, they find out. I see saying a friend, they say you, make me fear. Ancestors of Idu Igodomigodo say, make I tell you. With Odohunoge. Say, no. You too small. You too small. Princess Ologo. You too small. Oyekia. You wait they go the fuck about Benin? About Benin not build house for you. You say you come for royal family? For where? Now ancestors say that word where you talk. Royal where? When you take the deceived Benin girls, they collect small money from them, they bleach yourself. They proud for people, they call what you not free do. Many people there when you do something for when no work. They no work. They're there. If they hear me, may all of them come out. Talk. Many people there. You are fake. You are fake. You are fake. Princess Ologo, you are fake. You not be Princess Obaname. You are Princess Ologo Nema. No, we are. Now you be. Ologo no we are. Now you be. You no fear. They call you, say, come and face. Oh, yeah, now, yes, son. Now you call the talk. Oh, yes, son. You know, yes, son, matter the carona they go. Yes, son, matter the carona they go. Far place. Yes, sir. Where be say, I be the for those states. For do it go do. You come out. People, they beg me, make we find solution for all this problem. You come out. Say you want to address the matter. You, Princess Ologo. You say you be Princess Obaname. You are not princess for anywhere. You just the deceive people. Now people like Una, our ancestors want sweep away. When not they told the truth. Deceiver. Not they buy boka or wahin. Why do it? I was mamma here. When we are planning, I at you, when we are lantia. They show me. Oh, yes, sir. One of them, in what we say, unam yamia ever things. If, oh, no problem. You will be thief. You fuck penny finish. You say they go meet your husband for Benin. How many husbands you marry? Now 2 husbands. You get about Benin as a concubine. Where you still the fuck. You come and you say you come for royal family. You know what to be royal family. Me and you come for royal family. Me and you who come for royal family. Princess Odohun. If you know that name, fear not go let you not come out. Fear. If Odohun they visit tonight, I be good mother. They bring things down. They beg for now. You say, Dina gamo bobe ugu not bear. Many people they talk. Many are they see their video. So they call it the Murphy. They tell us say that princess do like that. And they laugh. If you really they see, Princess Ologo, if you really they see, now you're supposed to even answer. Make the change for their character. If you really they see, you for know what he kill Oguname. You know they see anything that deceive you be. You hear Princess Ologo. If you really they see, you for know. You for know. You no fear. We saw who were gele beggy. Oba Ologo, who beggy. They too beggy. Uga emi no gbogun na me. Ubege. Ubage mi rockman. E deceive you ye. Ashawo ukin. Ashawo. Oge na ya na Iwia Zenegi Norizo Bowie Street. Okay. A goddess. True goddess that walk with God. That walk with good ancestors. Not be mago. If you see white, you will turn out to black. Nah. So why you just do me to finish? You can't say na Jew. You want still, or you say you draw line. If you find out, why you not find out before? You know, say you use that one, bring yourself down. You bring yourself down. Oh, wait, you were not there. Ni with me. Oh, here. Our ancestors see you working. Before you come out boldly talk, you go look your left, you go look your right, you go check what really happened. But you no check. You know where here ya gwegwa. Ya gwegwa abanologo. Ogunologo. Ya gwegwa. Na gele ladia. Ave enye roba no ya sora de gbewe. Umagi kozotinya. Umagi nail
Fake everywhere.
I beg if you talk about get a problem.
Fake.
Go. You go feel so, that one be still look at. Say you go feel settled. You go there, go the fuck up. It is me no know. Me. If anything one they do, una do something for my back. Moment I enter my bed, or moment I sit down for my like this, I there alone. Now so ancestors go surround me, they tell me, see what they go on, see what they go on, see what they happen. I they know everything. Nothing. But all these children, where they bad, where they call, they do everything, why they look there, they be children. Because they deceived them for many years ago. What did they tell their papa? Their papa can't tell all this new our youth now. They don't know. They make me so insult me. They like Oguname. Oguname, my children senior. Me we cannot be mate. Wait, because they call me Ashawo. Nothing will not talk about me. You see vision. Say they go hang in at the cano. He said they go hang. Person when he said they go hang in at the cano. Person when he said they go hang, they alive. But he don't go. The ancestors not tell us say he go die. Or the if not really ancestors in the south, they not tell us say, I bet this what you they do now not good. Why they not tell her? If not really, me I not read my own, I not practice her. Not tell. Then they call, they will tell me. I don't know anything. I not be my power till they do one. Because I don't get power of my own. You see this God that created heaven and earth. Say let there be light. There can be light. He still say darkness. Darkness can come. He creates things inside. Now those things with us tells us. With the ojuju where they hide, where they don't let their name come out. For Idu Igodo Migodo. None of them they fight. I want tell you. If this woman where say it be Obaname, if they sing. I want to tell them the reason when you both bring they want bring many all this thing. Ancestors they see the way when those things they see the way when our people they die for different places. That they kill them, they take pass, they do everything. Obano, you not see all those want to talk. I love for you. I love for you. You just say those images. When me I go where now like this sweat when come out from my body I go throw away I put nothing there. Nothing. You as I go goddess. You come out. Say you make you view a la ni me. I say Oguname Feto say he give me 17 days. Oh. The way wanna see Isha finish. Na Isha, he go right on Mama. The ancestors, they go use Isha, bring all una, everything una do for that land. Ancestors go use this sham, bring her come out. All una secret go una go come because small for that land. As una no want take time.